Good afternoon to all. I am Aarti Choudhary Rawat, lecturer, Department of Applied Science, IIMT College of Polytechnic, Greater Noida. Here we are. Now we are discussing about parts of speech. What are the parts of speech? A part of speech is just the name given to a word based on the function that it does in a sentence. Learning parts of speech is necessary for understanding the correct definition of a word and accelerate your study of English grammar. The part of speech indicates how the word functions in meaning as well as grammatically within the sentence. An individual word can function as more than one part of speech when used in different circumstances. There are 8 types of parts of speech in English language. In English, the words or parts of different sentences are called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech that make our sentence complete. Here, different parts of speech are explained with examples in detail. So, what is noun? Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These are the different parts of speech. So, we are discussing about noun. So, what is noun? So, noun is a name of person, place, animal, thing or idea. For example, person के example में हम बोल सकते हैं man and girl, Steve, child, grandpa. Or example of place, Paris, city, school, home, Asia, space, kitchen या Indian. Or example of animal, dog, cat, whale, lion, bee, bull, lizard. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ थिंग में आएगा आपका बुक, पेंसिल, एप्पल, फ्लावर, डिसीज, शू या फिर कैप. और एग्जाम्पल ऑफ आइडिया और इमोशन, आपका इमोशंस में आ जाएंगे आपके एंगर, फियर, लव, हेट्रेड, जेलेसी एक्सेट्रा. तो प्रोनाउंस का क्या है? प्रोनाउंस आर द डेफिनेशन, प्रोनाउंस रिप्लेस नाउन्स. ठीक है, द वर्ड हु इज रिप्लेस नाउन, it is pronoun. Some example: he, I, its, me, my, she, that, this, those, us, who, whom, you. These all are the example of pronouns. And verbs show action or being, like run, go, have, invite, laugh, listen, playing, singing, walk. These are some example of verbs. And adjectives describe noun. Angry, brave, healthy, little, old, red, smart, to, some, good, big, interesting. These are the example of adjectives. And adverbs describe verbs, adjectives or other adverbs. Some examples are fully, badly, hardly, nearly, never, quickly, silently, well, very, really, almost. These are some example of adverbs. Articles में क्या आएगा? Articles are the signal that a noun is going to follow. The, a or an. These are articles. And prepositions show relationship between words in a sentence, like above, before, except, from, near, of, since, between, upon, with, to, at, after, on. The preposition joins two sentences, a relationship शो करती है. एंड कंजक्शंस ये वर्ड्स कनेक्ट करते हैं, लाइक कनेक्ट वर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस, क्लॉजेस और सेंटेंस. कंजक्शन उनको कनेक्ट करते हैं. लाइक एग्जांपल्स आएंगे इसके: एंड, और, बट, सो, आफ्टर, बिफोर, अनलेस, ईदर, neither, because or since. These are some example of conjunctions. And interjections, these are exclamations that express strong feelings. It shows our feelings, like gosh, great, hey, hi, hooray, oh, oops, phew, oh, ouch, hi, well. These are some examples of interjections. Now we are discuss about noun. What is noun in English grammar? Noun is defined as the name of a person, place, thing, idea, or any kind of feeling. any kind of feelings. Examples में just like man, lead, June, table, computer, police, death, advice, Africa, sweets, hatred, jealousy, market are the some common examples of noun. Nouns के भी kinds होते हैं like proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. These are 5 types of noun. In proper noun is name of a particular person, place or thing. Like we discuss about some some specific name like Ganga, Himalaya, Agra, India, Taj, America. These are some specific name. These are proper noun, and proper noun always start with capital letter. Like jealousy destroys everything. A good man always speaks truth. Taj Mahal is situated in India, and Badshahi Mosque is situated in Lahore. So in this Badshahi, Lahore, India, Taj Mahal, these are some example of proper noun. So now we are discuss about pronoun. Pronoun is defined as the word that is used at the place of a noun is called pronoun. For example, John is an honest person. He is kind-hearted person. So here in place of name, we use he, it, she, this, that. These are some pronouns. You can see that in second sentence, the word he is used at the place of a person, John. So it plays the role of a noun in this sentence. Next topic is verb. So all of us are familiar with the word verb. It is defined as the word which expresses the action of a noun is called verb. It is basically an action that a noun performs. For example, some common example of verb are reading, wrote, visit, writes, etc. Use of verb in sentence. John is writing a letter. She is reading a book. Will we visit zoo? And we also add some other examples like he is playing cricket. The boys are playing a football. These are some example of verb. Verb expresses our actions. Now adjective. What is an adjective? Adjective is defined as the word that adds to the meaning of a noun or pronoun, and it basically qualifies the noun or pronoun. For example, some common examples of adjectives are best, pretty, fast, clever, cheap, etc. Use of adjective in sentence. Norma has pretty hair. John is a good boy. Aisha is best friend. We are the best players of badminton. These are some examples of adjectives. So adjectives shows the word that adds to meaning adds करता है. An adjective is part of speech that can be used to describe or provide more information about a noun and pronoun that acts as the subject in a sentence. The food is delicious. So my brother is naughty. So delicious and naughty are the adjectives that shows the quality of a verb, the quality of a noun. Adjectives के types में क्या क्या आएगा आपका? Here are 6 types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, numeral adjectives, adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive. तो adjective of quality में आपकी qualities show होंगी like large, beautiful, careful, hateful, etc. And numeral, the name shows 5. It shows numbers like 5, few, many, several, first, etc. And adjective of quantity shows some quantity like some, much, little, any, half या whole. And demonstrative adjective आपका show करेगा this, that, these, those, such. And interrogative all adjective show करेगा आपका what, which या whose. And possessive my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Possessive shows our like our अपना possession show करता है So our next topic is adverb. So what is adverb? Adverb is defined as the word which qualifies an adjective, a verb, or another adverb is known as adverb. Some common examples of adverbs are the man runs slowly, she runs very quickly, Lee had did a very difficult sum. Here in sentence 1, the slowly is an adverb. In second sentence, the very is an adverb, and in third, difficult. So slowly and very and difficult, these are adverb. And now discuss about prepositions. Prepositions are defined as the class of words that indicates the relationship between nouns, pronouns, and other words in a sentence are known as preposition. Sometimes they come before a noun, for example, in, on, at, are some prepositions. Use of prepositions in sentence: the book is lying on the table, I usually work at night. So o and at, these are prepositions in both of sentences. And we also the book is on the table, like I reading at night. These are some examples of preposition. And we discuss about conjunction. Conjunction is merely a word which merely joins two sentences and sometimes two words. Some common conjunction are and, still, either, or, neither, not only, true, otherwise, so as, however, such, that, else, unless, until, etc. Use of conjunctions in sentences: birds fly but dogs don't. He is just 10-year-old and working hard. So in these sentences, but and these both words are conjunctions, because they join the two sentences, like birds fly and but dogs. In this sentence, but is conjunction, and he is just 10-year-old and working hard. In this, and is a conjunction. So interjection. The interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling or emotion. The interjection are used in exclamatory sentences, which expresses some sudden joy, sorrow, or surprise. Some sudden emotions को show करता है. Examples इसके जैसे oh, खुश, wow, good, ouch, hey, that hurt, oh, what are you doing? So these sentences shows our emotions, sudden feelings. So these are interjections. Thank you. We are just to know.